Hi, so I'm Neeraj and I will take you through the path of how you will get started with Chatdesk. First of all, you will register with Chatdesk using your email, etc., and then you can log in. Uh, Once you log in my case, I have already a hotel created, but for the first time, you will go and create a hotel. Now you can see the various settings. Let me just uh, add an example hotel. What is this about section? About section is you just write a little bit about your hotel. This will be read by the guest in case he checks wants to check out about your hotel. We are the plushiest hotel in the city. So what is welcome SMS message? Welcome SMS message is the SMS message which is sent to the guest along with a unique chat desk link. For example, in this if you enable chatting and also shopping, so you can say that uh, welcome to chat desk hotel. You can chat with our room service and also place orders for food, let's say, using the link below. Welcome web messages. uh, you can see the description of this here itself actually. You just click on this, you see the instructions and you can click again to remove. So welcome message, web message will be welcome, uh, please use this page to chat with us. You're always at your service, one click away. Post a message. What is post a message? Once the guest stays over, he is no longer allowed to chat with the room service. So thank you for choosing us. Uh, use as your stay is over, you can no longer chat with the room service. However, please get back to us for any other request at contact at chatdeskhotel.com. So default phone code. Usually what happens is uh, a guest, your hotel will be in a particular country. Let's say it is Japan, and if you use that as a default code in all the future reservations, this country code will be automatically selected. You can use any other country code while creating a reservation, but this one will show up by default, thereby uh, reducing the effort on your part. Similarly, you can add items in the hotel. So the default currency here will be automatically selected by default. You can add any currency actually. There's no limitation on adding a currency, but the default will be selected for you. Let's say I add euro. So an icon. What happens is an icon image helps in uh, is two-way chat enabled. I will enable it since if you have like another system for gathering feedback, you can disable this. But if you want to have a feedback request sent to the guest through SMS or email after every reservation, you can just enable this. Free trial, this will be available only for the first time you create a hotel. When you enable free trial, your hotel will have a the 14-day free trial period available. So let's do this. Let's create this hotel. What happens is uh, we upload this image and all these settings, and you can see how the guest can see the hotel details. This is an icon that I just uploaded. Now this is created. Okay, the basic hotel is created. uh, you can just straight away, there are no active reservation, you can just straight away, let me just say that, okay, I use um, my own, see, you can, my own name and email address for creating reservations. You can see that this is a default country which is selected. I can enter the phone number, but I can at the same time use any other country as well. It's just that the default country will be selected for the hotel. But let's say I use this email address and then 45, I don't know, 45 something, so I will be able to create a reservation. This is because I have just started the free trial for this hotel. Now I can, now the guests will receive an email. Here you will see I will get an email in some time. As you can see that this email was received. uh, uh, so what about hotel settings? Hotel settings are um, having different things here. Hotel code is the thing which we already created. We selected a default phone code, default currency, things like that. We have hotel menus. Hotel menus are things which are facilities in your hotel. Let's say you have a restaurant, uh, restaurant in the hotel which you will like the guests to know about. That will be added as a menu. So let's say I have a restaurant. Uh, let's say uh, main restaurant. This awesome restaurant is the best in the town. Let's say, so you have a now this restaurant is added. Let's say you also have a bar, so I can add a bar as well. Let's say beachside bar. uh, Drink and relax in the cool breeze. So what happens is I have added uh, two facilities that your hotel has: main restaurant and a b-side bar. What happens is, if you look at this, I'll just open this in a new tab. So this is how the guests can see that there's a main restaurant, there is a beachside bar. Let me just open this somewhere else so that things are working smoothly. I have two windows. um, uh, let's do this. So we have a hotel which has a main restaurant. As you can see that the main restaurant does not have any items here. There are no products in this. And similarly, the B-side bar does not have any items in this. So what we'll do is that we will add items to this two menus that we have added here. uh, you can see that here is a thing to add. When you go to the main restaurant, you will see that there is something called sub menus. What is a sub menu? Usually whatever facility you have, it has its product categorized into subcategories. For example, restaurant has breakfast, soup, dinner items, desserts, things like that. Under that subcategory you have the real product. Similarly, a bar has maybe cocktails, mocktails, beers, vodka, things like that, under which the real products fall. So here in the main restaurant, let's add something like starters, which is a good thing to start. So starters, now starters is a category and you can add a product to this category. Let's say I add, yeah, veg manchuria itself. So usually the products that will you will add will be buyable items, which means that the guest will be able to add that item to the cart and place an order. Since the default currency I have used is euro, that is shown here. Let's say I have this is 5 euro, and I'll create a product. That's it. So what happens is now I have added a product to the restaurant. So now, since it is a buyable product, the guest will be able to place an order for this. You can add multiple products to this. Let's say you add another starter. Let's say uh, chili chicken, something. Uh, tasty, spicy food, and euro 5 again. Let's say, or maybe 4. So I create this chili chicken. So you can see that now you'll be able to see the chili chicken as well. But what if I want chili chicken uh, before veg manchuria? So here you can see and edit starters. Here you can, if you have multiple items, you can drag and drop. So you just drag and drop. Chili chicken now is above veg manchuria, as I just saying. Similarly, if you do this again the position will change. Veg manchuria is now above. This is how you uh, order different products in one particular menu. Let's say I go back, and you can see the guest view here itself. So like here it is main restaurant, so you can see that how it looks to the guest, but you cannot add to the cart. In case of guest, he'll be able to add to the cart as well. So uh, yeah, so that was pretty much it. uh, what else? Let's go and maybe um, do this. So right now what happens is beach sidebar is below uh, the main restaurant. We can drag and drop this as well. Like uh, you can actually drag and drop these items as well. So if you do this, now you will see, you need to refresh of course to reload this page. You see the b-side bar is above uh, the main restaurant, or before the main restaurant. So you can reorder, basically you can reorder these facilities that you have. You can reorder uh, submenus in them by just dragging and dropping, and similarly you can just reorder the products by just dragging and dropping. Like I will just maybe give one more example. Let's say I add soups as a subcategory in this. So now you have starters and soups, but maybe you want, so when you go to the main restaurant, you see that starters is first and soups is later, but maybe soups should be soup should be before starters, right? So you just go there and do this, and yeah, so that is pretty much it. So uh, this is how you add uh, add products to the hotel. What is chat assistant? Chat assistant is someone is who is allowed to chat here with the guest. He is able to interact, so you can add a chat assistant by just going to hotel settings and hotel chat assistants. You get a choice to have a new chat assistant. Similarly, hotel admins, you can add a new hotel admin here. uh, what happens is, once you add someone as a hotel admin, he can not only chat with the guests, but he is also able to change these settings such as hotel core settings, hotel menus, etc. He is able to add items and remove items in hotel menus, and he's able to change hotel core as well. So that is pretty much it, how you get started with Chatdesk. Hopefully uh, you have a easy onboarding experience. If you have any problem anywhere, just Write me an email, neeraj at chatdesk.co. Thank you.